Let's see the different solutions to fix tracking on Oculus Quest 2. 1. Use the headset's built-in pointer to highlight the restart option in the menu. This pointer is typically controlled by your head movements. Use the volume button on the headset to confirm the selection. After clicking the volume button while the pointer was over the restart option, the headset successfully restarted. Once the headset rebooted, you regained access to the home screen. From there, you were able to clear out the play boundaries and re-enable tracking features. 2. Place your headset in a dark environment and cover the facial sensor with black tape. The facial sensor is designed to detect when the headset is being worn. By covering it, you trick the headset into thinking it is in a different state, which can sometimes reset its tracking capabilities. Leave the headset covered for a while. This allows the headset to reset its internal state and can help resolve issues related to button interaction. 3. If you have a connection cable, access developer mode on your headset. From there, you can switch the tracking type, which may help resolve the tracking issues. 4. Clearing the Guardian history can sometimes resolve persistent tracking problems. This can be done through the settings menu in the VR interface. 5. Regularly clean the tracking cameras on the front of the headset to ensure they are free from dust and smudges. Restart the headset and re-enable tracking through the quick settings menu after ensuring that all the steps have been followed. Hope you find this video useful, and if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.